Welcome everyone. Hope your studies are going great. ICI has released the RTP, so we will have a quick look on RTP coverage. So, if you have covered the questions from the question bank, or you have attended the 6 days master class, or you have done the revisions already uploaded, so you don't have to worry about the what is coverage in the RTP. You have covered all the questions except one questions, so all the questions of the RTP are covered in a book, 6 days masterclass in the revisions. So only one new question is there. So I have given a quick list that is where the RTP question are covered in our question bank. So this is the question number in our book and this is the page number of our book. So all the questions are covered. Values are also same, only in two questions the values are different. Rest in all the questions values are also same, only one new question. So we have a look on this new question. So this new question is in a security valuation chapter. This is a very simple question. So this question is in respect to calculate the interest rate for commercial paper and total cost on the commercial paper. So for commercial paper, we know how to calculate the discount rate, that is your interest rate. So first we will have a look on a question. From the following information, compute the effective rate of interest per annum as well as total cost of a fund to Nirmal Limited, which is planning a commercial paper issue. Issue price is given to you, face value is given to you, maturity period is 3 months, issue expenses are given to you, brokerage, rating charge and stamp duty. So over here, first you will calculate your interest rate, that is like a discount rate which is similar to the discount rate, that is your face value minus your issue price divided by the issue price. So this is the discount you are giving, face value minus the issue price. So face value minus issue price divided by issue price multiplied by 12 divided by M, that is your 3 months. So this way you can get the interest rate as 10.05% per annum. But do note over here, in the question you are asked to calculate the effective interest rate. This is the nominal interest rate. Now you have to calculate the effective interest rate. So effective interest rate formula is 1 plus r by t raised to n by t. So over here your t will be 12 by m. So that is 12 by 3, that is 4. So over here, this is your rate per annum, but you have to calculate the effective interest rate. So this rate divided by 4 raised to 4 minus 1 will give you the effective interest rate. Now this is your effective interest rate on the commercial papers. Now you have to calculate the total cost. So beside interest, you will also have to bear some issue expenses. Now this issue expenses, the brokerage is given 0.15% for 3 months. So you will have to calculate the per annum rate. So you will multiply this by 4 to get a per annum rate. Rating charges are given per annum and stamp duty is given for 3 months. So you will again convert it for per annum, multiply by 4. So these will be the total issue expenses. You will add the interest cost and all the issue expenses. These all combined will be your total cost for the commercial paper. So you have paying the effective interest 10.435%. Brokerage is 0.15 multiplied by 4, that is 0.6% per annum. Rating charges 0.55% per annum. Stamp duty is 0.2 multiplied by 4 per annum, that is 0.8%. So adding all, you will get your total cost to be 12.385%. So दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे आपको डिस्काउंट रेट कैलकुलेट करना है और उस डिस्काउंट रेट के बेसिस पे यू विल कैलकुलेट द इफेक्टिव इंटरेस्ट रेट एंड देन यू विल कैलकुलेट द टोटल कॉस्ट. यहाँ पे आपको सारे कॉस्ट पर एनम कॉस्ट लेके कैलकुलेट करना है. सो यू आर वेरी quickly done with an RTP. The rest all the questions are already covered in your book and revisions and classes. So I have given the entire RTP. So these are the topics on which the concept on which the questions are given in the RTP. So entire RTP, this file will be available for download on the website. The link will be given in the description box. So wish you a very good luck for your studies. Keep studying hard, do very well. This time you have to be clear in your exam. So wish you a good luck for your preparation. Stay happy and stay blessed.